reggaeton track. Are you ready? Let's go. Stand up, move your arm and your knee. Stay there. Go up. Relax. One more time, the other side, the same. Side to side. Stay there. Go up. Very good. 3 kicks. Kick, kick, and open. Yes. Close march. You got it. Again, 3 kicks. Very good. March. One more time. Easy. Kick. 3, 2, 1, and open. Now, walk. Step cross cha-cha. Come back. Step cross cha-cha. Kick. Open and stop. Step cross cha-cha. Come back. Now, come forward with kick. Arms up. Yes. Come back to diagonal. Step cross and come back with pose. Yes. Arms up. Very good. Come back. Step cross with pose. Now punch. And move your knee and touch your torso. Very good. One more time. Come on, punch. 3, 2, 1, and up. Very easy. Walk. Relax. One more time. You got it. Very good. Last time. Woo! Are you ready for the new part? Okay, knee again. Knee and slide. Come back. Knee and slide. Yes, march in place. Repeat. Knee and slide. Knee and slide. Close march. Very good. Remember the arm from beginning. Let's do it a little faster. And open. Yes. You got it. One more time. Watch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Are you ready from the top? Let's go from the kicks. Come forward. Up. 4 knees. Come back. Stop. Now the arms and the knees. Come back. Very good. You got it? One more time. Come on. Come back. Stop. Slide. Okay, very good. Second part, and watch now, we have some hips. Yes, watch. Hips. And stop. Stay there. Yes, knee. Woo! Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and stop. Again. And be ready to turn. Very easy. Let's go. Go. And stop. Again. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. From the top. Come forward. Kick. Arms up. Come back. Very good. Second part. Be ready to turn. And watch now the hip bumps. Come on. Follow the music. Come back. You got it. Go knee and slide. Turn. Kick. Last time. I think you got it. Come on. Stop. and tap. And be ready for the final pose. Slowly.